Hello friends and programmers, welcome to my tutorial. My name is Rita Kaiser and I'm going to take you through a tutorial basically on object-oriented programming. Actually, you're going to use the C# language, and I'm so excited that I'm going to help beginners to solve these kind of problems, and it's very easy. I hope they are going to enjoy. I hope you're going to enjoy too. Yes, everyone might be interested to maybe to solve this particular problem. Yeah, I'm going to start with reading the question and understanding the requirements. So the question is this: write an object-oriented program that can be used to capture the name and test score for a student. Include 3 methods to insert, display, and determine if the student has passed or failed. So the first thing is to understand the attributes of the class, and you can decide to rename the class name as students. You can use any cases of the letter. So the class name is student, and I'm going to write down the attributes of the class. So the name is a string, so string name, and the test score is an integer, so it is int test score. And then after creating the attribute, actually let me just comment attribute. Yeah. So the next thing is determining the methods needed to manipulate the attribute. So the name, the first method is insert. So the modifier of the method, I'm going to make it public. You can make it private, but for me I'm going to make it public to be used. Maybe it can be used in other class. Okay, so it is public. I'm going to make it's return type void, so public void insert. And then I put the body of the method. So this is the body of the method okay, so we are going to insert like the way we prompt the user to key in the name of the student and prompt the user to key in the test score. So let me just make a prompt, enter the name. You can put it the way you want, it's just a prompt. So the next thing is name. Okay, so since it's a string, no need of passing it. So name, name, the name. And so that is prompting the user to key in the name of the student. And then the next the pass mark is 60%. If you have something above 60% or 100%, you have passed. If you have something less than 60, you have failed. Yeah. And also you can make it, maybe if you have something, if user keys in something above 100 or something less than 0, it's an invalid score. So we can use also that logic. So test, if test score is greater or equal to 60% and test score is less or equal to 100, the body, you have passed with this mark. We have created, so I want to create 3 conditions. The first one is this one. The second one, else if test score is less than, actually is greater than or equal to 0, greater or equal to 0, and test score is less than 60. So this means the student has failed. You have failed by scoring test. If not this, else. So means that else is maybe user keys in something less than 0 or something greater than 100. So else you have entered so that's it. So we have created 3 methods according to the requirements we are supposed to use. We created the attributes, and now the next thing is to go to the main function. The main function's work is to call the methods and help us display the contents that are found in the class. So anyway, the next thing we are going to create object of the class. The object name is created using the class name, and the class name was student. So student. Let's maybe assume the object name is student1, or you can give it the name of a student, maybe Kevin, maybe John. Yeah. So it's the name we want to give the object equals to new student. This is how you create an object. And then after this, we are going to call the methods, and the methods are called like this. students. Student 1, but the first method was called insert. Just note the order in which they are called. Students 1 again, dot display. Last one, student 1 dot so this is how the methods are called, and they are going to display the data we have given. So let's just